Good morning, 3 class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Stay home and stay safe. What is day today, students? Today is Tuesday, 22nd December 2020. It's your maths period, and today our topic is time. It's exercise 6B. Today we will solve question number 5, remaining parts E to H. Students, open your countdown books. Open page number 177. It's exercise 6B, question number 5. Today we will solve remaining parts E to H on notebooks. Students, open your notebooks and maintain your pages. Draw margin line on both sides of the page. After that, write classwork Tuesday, 22nd December, 2020. Our topic is time. It's exercise 6B. Question number 5. Solve the following sums. Underline both topic and exercise with color. After that, write part E. It's hours and minutes. Look at this. As we always start from the right side, we subtract 3 and 5. Students, look at this, as we cannot subtract 5 from 3 because 3 is smaller number and 5 is bigger number. So what we will do, we borrow from this one. Now it becomes 4 and now it is 13. So now 13 minus 5 is, it's 8. And 4 minus 2 is 2. So 28 minutes. And 8 minus 3, it's 5. It means 5 hours and 28 minutes. It's a simple and very easy question. I hope you will solve it easily. Now look at F part. It's 10 hours and 58 minutes and 10 hours and 22 minutes. Now we will subtract first of all minutes. 8 minus 2 is 6. And 5 minus 2 is 3. Now 10 minus 10 is 0. So what is answer? It's 36 minutes. Next, G part is 17 hours 55 minutes minus 9 hours and 35 minutes. 5 minus 5 it's 0. 5 minus 3 it's 2. Now it's 17 minus 9. It's 8. 17 minus 9 it's 8. So the answer is 8 hours and 20 minutes. 8 hours and 20 minutes. Now next last part, H part is, it's 3 hours and 45 minutes and 1 hours and 55 minutes. Now we will subtract. Look at this. It's 5 minus 5 is 0, but we cannot subtract 5 from this 4. So what we will do, we borrow from this or side, and here it is 3. When we take borrow from here, it becomes, and it comes in the minute side, so we write here it's 60 minutes. When we borrow 1 hour, it left here 2. When we borrow here, it comes in the minute side, so we don't write here it's 1. We write here it's 60 minutes, because 1 hour is 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So when we borrow 1 hour from here and it comes in the minute side, so it becomes 60 minutes. Now we will add 60 and 45 in the rough work. Students, now we will add the 60 and 45 minutes. After that, we subtract 55 from the answer. Look at this, it's 60 plus 45. It becomes 0 plus 5, it's 5. And 6 plus 4, it's 10. What is answer is 105 minutes. It becomes 60 plus 45, it's 105 minutes. Now we will subtract 55 minutes from 105 minutes. It's 105 minus 55. 5 minus 5 is 0 and 10 minus 5 is 5. So the answer is 50 minutes. So we write here 50 minutes. Now we subtract 2 minus 1, it's 1. So what is answer? It's 1 hour and 50 minutes. 1 hour and 50 minutes. So students, this is your classwork. Do these 4 parts on your notebooks. Students, now open chapter number 4, it's money. Page number 130, it's exercise 4. So first of all, write revision. It's short date, that is 22nd December 2020. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks. A part is dash 5 rupee coins make rupees 20. How many 5 rupee coins make rupees 20? Read the table of 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15 and 5 fours are 20. It means 4 5 rupees makes rupees 20. So answer is 4. 200 paise make rupee dash rupees. Friends, as you know, in 1 rupee there are 100 pesos and 200 pesos make dash rupees. 100 paisa make 1 rupees and 200 pesos make 2 rupees. Now, C part is rupees 64 minus rupees 30 is equal to rupees dash. Look at this, 4 minus 0, it's 4. First we solve 1's value, now we 10's value, it's 6 minus 3, it's 3. So the answer is rupees 34. 550 paisa coins make rupees dash. Students, as you know, 4 5 rupee coins makes rupees 20